Swami Narayana, 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 Swami Narayana.
He was never shy to tell people that everything else is great, but spirituality should be the basis of your lives. And he taught people those messages. And not only did he teach that, he always made sure that he made an institution to make this run forever. And that is why he established these beautiful temples throughout the world. Over 1,100 mandirs he gave to the world to make sure that spirituality can last for a long, long time. If we were to define Pramukh Swami Maharaj, it would be very difficult to define in a few sentences, few words, even a few minutes. We could say that he was a Mahamanav, a great man, a great soul, a person that is rare in centuries sometimes. That is the kind of person he was. And maybe because of that, he's worthy of not just one tribute, but 1,000 tributes.
Several times I got to meet with him and interact with him. You saw that kindness, that love come from him. Even a little playfulness when he interacted with people. And that translates any culture, any language, any religion, any location. Just by his presence shows what a great spiritual leader that he was. I've never done this as a state assembly member, as a county supervisor, but we adjourned in His Holiness honor when we heard of his passing. And we actually did do a resolution signed by all the Board of Supervisors by unanimous consent, honoring him on that for all his accomplishments throughout the world, especially here in San Bernardino.
We know how inspirational he was to the BAPS community, and I was so pleased to meet him many years ago and welcome him to Chino Hills as we dedicated and blessed this land as the cultural center and some of the other buildings were about to be built. The Mandir is a beautiful testament to the hard work of your congregation who have spent so many years working to build this place of worship. Their hard work is a tribute to faith, hope, and charity, and each individual has added their own personal imprint to this magnificent mandir.
You know, the trust comes from trustworthiness. And Pramukh Swami Maharaj had no ego. His humility really attracted me. That here, Pramukh Swami, 1,100 temples, millions of people follow him. He knows everyone, President Clinton, everybody. And he also talks to a poor farmer. How can you have this kind of humility when you have done so many things? That really touched me.
Dealing with these saints are unbelievable. The compassion that they have, the love that they have, the depth of what they have is just remarkable. And he provided a foundation for the movement that will last for hundreds and thousands of years through his leadership and his love and his guidance to all.
That picture is how I remember him. He really impressed me with how truly humble a man he was. And he had this incredible sense, as I'm sure many of you have witnessed and experienced yourselves. He had this incredible, almost glow or aura about him, and this incredible twinkle in his eye, almost a childlike quality that I found so endearing. so humble, so generous. He would always ask how we were. He would always bless us. And you always felt like he was there for you. And you were very special, no matter who you were.